Hey guys, just want to answer the question, where can I find the blank forms to download? It's really simple. You're going to go to our website, tnsutah.com, and from the website you're going to go to the employment drop down menu and go to the employee portal. When you sign on with us, you will get the password. So if you do not have that password, please contact myself or your direct supervisor. And once this pops up, there will be a bottom section in the portal that's labeled staff forms. And so you'll have access to the timesheet, the client hourly logs, mileage reimbursement form, and the behavior incident report. So these are the blank master forms. If you want to download it directly to your computer, you're just going to click the download button and it'll go right there. It'll be in your downloads folder, so you can access it there. You can also click here to get a quick view of it and see the form. If you want to further download, you just download from here. Okay, do not fill out the form prior to downloading it. It's not going to save, and you need to be able to save it. So you need to download it directly to your computer and then open it with the software that's on your computer. But these are where the forms are. You can download it directly. I'll show you how to go to your downloads folder. You can either go to files. On your MacBook, it's actually your system, your Finder, sorry, and then it's just an app right there. So that's the timesheet that I just downloaded. You see it downloaded at 5:07. So I can just double click it and it'll open up with whatever my my software is that I use. Okay, you can do that with all forms, all PDF forms. Those are the 4 master forms that you're going to need. The support strategies you'll be sent directly. You'll have access to those for each client you work with, as well as the monthly summaries. They're going to include some of the details that are specific to each client. So I don't have them as the generic staff forms that you have access to online. If you want to download it on your phone, it's the same process. You go there. You go to tnsutah.com on the web browser on your phone. You can scroll down on the employee portal and click on the sheet, and it'll pop up just like this on your phone, and then you can send it to the app. Watch the tutorial, the app tutorials, so that you, if you're interested in using your phone to fill out paperwork, you can know how to do that. If you are old school, which is totally fine, you can print these off, fill them out by hand, and then use the Adobe Scan app and send them in via email through the Scan app. Just watch the trainings if you're interested. Either way, those are the forms. That's how you find them. All the other forms that you'll be required to use will be sent directly to you. Thanks, guys.